How to play GTA on PC with Xbox players. Now in this video, I'm going to be providing you additional information about cross-playing or playing with players from PC into Xbox. Now, the very first thing that you want to have to keep in mind, GTA 5 and GTA Online do not actually support cross-platform play between Xbox consoles and PC, but there's turnaround for those process. What you can go ahead and try is to log in for both ends from Rockstar Games into your PC and log in into your GTA 5 account, specifically from Rockstar Games, logging it in into your Xbox console. Now, what you can try as well is to join crew sessions that's going to be onto cross platforms or cross plays, or you can also try to join servers from PC to Xbox. But keep in mind that these actually do not support, or players on Xbox are restricted to matchmaking with other Xbox users, while PC players only play with other PC players. So those are the additional information about playing GTA on PC with Xbox players.